Hi everyone, and welcome back to another Tech Guy Smart Buy review. I'm Omar, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Tech21 iPhone 11 Pro cases and their new designs. A couple of weeks ago, we were fortunate enough to attend PepCon New York, where we got to meet up with Tech21 and talk about their newest cases and designs. They even gave us a couple to try out. They gave us the Evo Check and the Studio Color Black to take a look at. Here's a brief disclosure though. I've been a huge fan of Tech21 since my very first iPhone, which was an iPhone 4S. So all my iPhones have had Tech21 cases, and I've tried other cases, not to say I haven't, but I've always gone back to Tech21. Even when I did a brief change from an iPhone to a Samsung, it still had a Tech21 case on it. So what makes these cases worth the buy? Well, let's start with the Evo Check. It's a much slimmer design than the previous ones, and it can withstand a 12-foot drop. Tech21 is saying that the reason these cases are slimmer and can take more of an impact is because of the high-performing material that are unique to Tech21 cases. They can absorb high-impact energy better than previous cases. Also, both of these cases provide antimicrobial protection, and I know you want to know more detail what that means, and we'll talk about that later in this video. Aesthetically, this case should change the design of it by changing the color of the power and the volume buttons. Now, the case we got came with the blue case with blue buttons. It also came with a set of yellow and red buttons. So I went ahead and changed my case to be a red power button and yellow volume buttons. So you can change the design of the case as many times as you want to whatever colors you want. So if customizing your phone case is something you enjoy, this case is definitely one to check out. So if you want an even slimmer and more elegant design, then the Studio Color cases might be the ones for you. These cases are environmentally friendly. They actually can compare to the Apple silicone cases, and I think they might even be slimmer than those cases. So along with this elegant design, this phone case has an 8-foot drop rating. It has the antimicrobial feature, and it is made from a plant-based material. According to Tech21, 32% of this phone case is made from a plant-based material in an effort to use more sustainable material for the future. So let's talk about the antimicrobial protection that these cases provide. Tech21 has partnered with Biocoat, a market leader in antimicrobial technology that has over 25 years of experience in this. How is this different than any other case? Tech21 says the process involves adding antimicrobial protection into the case material itself. Where other cases just simply put a layer of coating, Tech21 makes it part of the case. This way it doesn't wear off after a few months, rather it lasts the life of the case. They say they can provide up to 99.99% of protection. So here's the claim. You take your phone that either features an Evo Check or a Studio Color back case, and you put it on a dirty surface. The microbes from that surface transfer over to your case, but unlike most cases, they don't live on your case. They actually die off, about 99.9% of them, and therefore you don't have to worry about all that disease or germs or anything like that. But it is a bold claim to make, and if it is true, this makes Tech21 cases not just safer, but the cleaner and healthier choice. I've used them for the past couple weeks. The Evo Check has been my everyday go-to, and then the Studio Color Back has been what I've used for weddings or going out to elegant parties. It's almost like nothing's on the phone. So that's a really cool feature to have. They don't just make phones for iPhones, they make them for Google Pixel, they make them for Samsung. So check them out. So that wraps up this video. I want to thank PepCon for inviting us to this show. Tech21, thank you for this lovely cases that we got to review. The holidays are fast approaching, people. If you need great stocking stuffers, check out Tech21 cases. Thank you everybody for watching the videos. I'm Omar with Tech Guy Smart Buy. Till next time.